Good afternoon, everyone. Sincere thanks to Dr. R.L. Bhatia Foundation and World Quality Congress for giving me this speaking opportunity. Today I will speak about embracing quality culture with sustainability. During that discussion, I will give most of the time example from Patanjali Foods because I am working with this organization with last 7.5 years. And we know that, my presentation is basically, I have just seen the earlier presentation, so it's a mixture of everything because we have covered everything about sustainability, quality, and environment, everything. So it's a little bit similar to that. And we know that companies with a sustainable approach meet their need without compromising the need of their employee, customer, and other stakeholders. And this sustainability is embedded in the corporate culture of the part of their values, and this is supported by robust quality management system. In Patanjali, quality control and quality assurance is embedded in the business processes and is enabled by digital robust review management mechanism. We call it a manufacturing to warehousing. It's a M&W. In that basically review system, after completion of your shift work or day work, people are entering the data of their respective function, and these data are automatically calculated and converted to the key KPIs. These KPIs are basically directly access to the category head, business head, apex leadership, and respective plant manager, and they are reviewing those KPI in their glass board meeting as a part of continual improvement. And every employee is clear and specific about quality element in their role, and it's incorporated into their responsibility and daily work. We know that quality outcome will improve when more non-quality employees are involved in quality work. It means if people are working in a procurement or people are working in a maintenance department, if they know the particular task they are going to execute, if they know understand the quality requirement of that particular task, it will give the added value to that particular job, and it will do the extra valued addition to that organization. As an organization, we are quality driven, we are customer centric, ambitious, trustworthy, sustainable, and inclusiveness in our approach. We know that quality is ability to delight the requirement, and sustainability is to continue so over a period of time. When we are talking about this sustainability, it's a long-term, basically, it talks about long-term health of the organization. It means, basically, it involves understanding that how a company will survive and thrive in the future. And when we are talking about quality of sustainability or culture of sustainability, it means it talks how all employees are engaged in the entire organization to perform every activity. So as an organization, we understand the correlation of quality culture and capabilities with quality outcome. This can be seen in many capability building efforts, where training sessions are more about building quality capabilities, not the rather just delivering numbers. अगर आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को देखते हैं, आपको पता करना है कि उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्वालिटी कल्चर, फूड सेफ्टी कल्चर है या नहीं है, देन यू हैव टू सी दैट वर्क इन्वायरमेंट वेयर ऑल एलिमेंट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टेकिंग प्लेस. You have to see that effect of business on its people. If this effect is positive, it means you are basically employee are engaged, and you are basically employee are engaged, and you are able to retain your talent pool. And if basically employee are not, this effect is not positive, it means you are losing your talent pool to your competitors. Your attrition rate is very high. So, and another example, this long-term financial success of the business, it also plays very important role when we are talking about the quality culture. अगर हम बात करते हैं पतंजलि आयुर्वेद की स्थापना का मुख्य उद्देश्य असंतुलित शहरीकरण और अनियमित जीवन शैली के कारण होने वाली शारीरिक और मानसिक जटिलताओं का योग एवं आयुर्वेद के माध्यम से समुचित समाधान और मानव जीवन में व्याप्त निराशा को दूर करके जीवन में सुख का संचार करना है. हमारा मानना है कि एक स्वस्थ निरोगी व्यक्ति स्वयं में, परिवार में, समाज में और राष्ट्र की जीडीपी में सकारात्मक योगदान देता है, और जो व्यक्ति निरोगी होता है वही सहयोगी होता है और वही समाज के लिए उपयोगी होता है. ये बेसिकली हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की स्थापना का मुख्य पर्पस था. एंड व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अगर आपको किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कल्चर देखना है कि उसमें क्वालिटी कल्चर है या नहीं है, दूसरा सस्टेनेबल है नहीं, यू हैव टू सी द मिशन, विजन, वैल्यूज and strength of that organization, that will give the true indicator of that. अगर आप हमारे मिशन की बात करते हैं, to be India's leading edible oil and food company by building profitable brands that delight consumer by meeting their everyday health and nutrition need at the best value. हमारी strength है, we have an integrated value chain, we are strong in procurement processes, logistic and distribution, we have a pan-India manufacturing, sales and distribution footprint, own Parivahan of more than 2,200 trucks. Out of this 2,200 trucks, 50% or more trucks are covered as per the food defense guideline. We scale in manufacturing efficiencies, and we have a strong focus, consumer focus in healthy food segment. हमारी values हैं nation first, inclusive growth, customer centric, continuous improvement, and sustainability. When we are talking about nation first, as a organization हमें पता है कि किसी भी उद्योग का किसी राष्ट्र की उन्नति में क्या रोल है. आपको वहाँ की कॉमन सिविल सोसाइटी, आपको गवर्नमेंट के साथ अपने को अलाइन करना है, आपको गवर्नमेंट नेशनल पॉलिसीज़ और प्रायोरिटीज़ के साथ अपने बिजनेस की पॉलिसीज़ और प्रायोरिटीज़ को अलाइन करना है, प्लस आपको ये देखना है कि जिस इकोसिस्टम में आप काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी रेगुलेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट है या जो भी कंप्लायंस है, आपको उसका 100% पालन करना है. और व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ, इट मीन्स जिस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इकोसिस्टम में यू आर ऑपरेटिंग, यू हैव टू सी दैट all other stakeholders should grow along with you. As an organization, we value human values को हम सबसे ज़्यादा की वैल्यू करते हैं और ह्यूमन डिग्निटी को हम सबसे ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करते हैं. जिस भी कम्युनिटीज़ के साथ हम काम करते हैं, हमारा प्रयास होता है कि दैट कम्युनिटी शुड ऑल्सो ग्रो अलॉन्ग विद अस. जब हम बात करते हैं नेशन फर्स्ट, ये दिस इज नॉट कि लाइक दिस इज वन स्टेटमेंट वी हैव रिटन समवेयर. एक्चुअली डेली बेसिस वी आर बेसिकली लिविंग दिस स्टेटमेंट. आई विल जस्ट शेयर वन एग्जांपल. एज ए कंट्री इंडिया वी आर फेसिंग बेसिकली लॉट ऑफ challenges. One challenge is malnutrition and hidden hunger. Our more than 50% population are malnourished, and our 11 to 17 years population, more than 70% population, they are affected with hidden hunger. Malnutrition or hidden hunger का meaning है, if you are basically deficient in iron, folic acid, vitamin B, vitamin A, D, K, and some essential minerals like zinc, iodine in your diet, so you are basically fatigued and you are less productive. अगर हम बोलते हैं भारत युवाओं का देश है, अगर आपका 11 to 17 ईयर जो सबसे प्रोडक्टिव एज ग्रुप है, इफ दे आर malnourished एंड दे आर डेफिशिएंट विद दे आर इफेक्टेड विद हिडन हंगर, तो थोड़ा विषय चिंता का होता है. सो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया along with FSI and some research institute, they come with a 3 methodologies to address this malnutrition and hidden hunger issue. Number 1 is a dietary diversification. बेसिकली आपको क्या करना है, किसी भी आदमी को प्लेट में आप खाते समय आप सीरियल दीजिए, पल्सेस दीजिए, फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स दीजिए, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स दीजिए और मीट प्रोडक्ट दीजिए, और वो लॉन्ग टर्म तक कंज्यूम करेगा तो उसका malnutrition का स्टेटस रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा. बट लोगों का अगर आप देखेंगे एवरेज इकोनॉमी, तो कितने लोग इसको अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं? सो दिस इज नॉट सस्टेनेबल. सेकेंड इज अ न्यूट्रिएंट सप्लीमेंटेशन. आप जाइए एक्सपर्ट के पास जाइए, टेस्ट करिए और डेफिशिएंसी को आइडेंटिफाई करिए, देन आफ्टर दैट you can go for the nutrient supplementation. लेकिन again it's not cost effective, or we don't have as a country we don't have a sufficient infra for that. Third is a food fortification. Government of India ने FSI के साथ किया कि 5 staple foods, wheat flour, rice, edible oil, milk and salt, इनको आइडेंटिफाई किया, इनको आपने अप्रूव्ड फूड फॉर्टिफिकेंट के साथ ऐड किया. सो यू कैन गेट द your daily requirement, जो RDA का requirement है, 40% of that you can get without any toxicity effect. दूसरा क्या staple है, you can't consume above a certain limit. So आपको long term में consume करते हैं, it's a cost effective. You are basically slowly you can be overcome from your malnutrition state. लेकिन इसमें गवर्नमेंट ने क्या एक लॉजिक दिया कि when you are doing this food fortification, you are basically spending something on approved food fortificant procurement, you are putting something on your infra correction, and you are basically running some new processes in your plant, like you are running some new packaging, because fortified food having a different packaging. But despite of all expenses, you should not transfer this cost to the consumer. Government का पर्पस था नॉन फोर्टिफाइड फूड सिमिलर कैटेगरी का फोर्टिफाइड फूड सेम प्राइस में जाना चाहिए. तो एज ए रिस्पॉन्सिबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमने कोई दूसरा थॉट नहीं लिया. इमीडिएटली आउट ऑफ दिस 5 वी हैव लॉन्च 3 fortified food last 4-5 years, and we are doing successfully to address this malnutrition situation of the country. We are customer centric. Customer centric means हमारे business के core में customer है. Every time we are thinking about customer and we are basically empathizing their requirement. We understand their requirement, trying to resolve his issues. For that, every time this Acharya ji and Swami ji, they are basically coming in various national TV channels and they are interactive with the people. They are basically guiding people that how they can improve their health situation by adding some yoga and pranayam, by adding some healthier ingredient in their life. So, and because when you are customer centric, you have to do various mode of communication with the customer, and sometimes it's a very innovative or very upfront, as regularly Swamiji and Acharya they are doing. And when we are talking about continuous improvement का मतलब है कि as a organization we are basically amalgamating the knowledge, our old traditional rich knowledge with new technology. So, because we are one of the fastest FMCG, FMHG company, so we are performing regularly and we are very transparent in our performance and in our actions. So we are basically following this continuous improvement. But आप कुछ भी करिए, if you are not doing this task on regular basis and you are not doing it, this task on a long run, so there is no meaning. तो sustainability का मतलब है कि आपको कोई काम करना है, long term तक करना है, जिससे कि उसका larger population को benefit मिले. When government of India, they launched this National Edible Oil Mission. So purpose was that under this National Oil Edible Mission, that you have to reduce the dependency on oil import. So as a responsible organization, we had driven this agenda and we had done palm tree plantation, and we have done palm tree plantation in more than 15 lakh acre area. So that covered 55 district and 11 state. Purpose was that it should bring annual return of more than 2,000 crore rupees after sowing of 5 to 7 years of palm tree. And this will continue for next 40 years. In our culturally, we are little bit than the normal organization. Our mentor or our business leader, Swamiji and Acharya, they never use word employee or karmachari. They always use karma yogi in their sambodhan to every employee. And as an organization, we give a full freedom to every karma yogi so they can unleash their potential, they can create their own success path, and they can touch the life of everyone with whom they are connecting in their journey. One study has conducted in which cover more than 25 plants, and 30,000 people has been part of that survey. And this study shows that there are 5 common areas which are basically creating hindrance to building a sustaining quality culture. Number 1, low recognition of quality related achievement and often credited only for delivery targets, inadequate problem solving capabilities, limited collaboration among functions to ensure high quality outcome, weak acknowledgement of worker, suggestion for improving quality by leadership, and insufficient dialogue and discussion with worker about quality matrices and performance. But in our case, we focus on training and capability buildings. Our Apex leadership focus to explore decision making and creative problem solving. We have a monthly session with Apex leadership on new challenges and opportunity. We are very diverse organization. We are in a food, we are in a cosmetic, we are in a pharmaceuticals, we are in a agri products, we are in research. So we and our all verticals are very closely interrelated with each other. So we have a very close collaboration among all verticals to ensure high quality output. And this our management, when we are talking about leadership, Swami Ramdev ji and Acharya Balkrishna ji, they are basically very approachable if you compare with other business houses to all their employees. When I am talking about employee, it's both on-roll and off-roll. They have a quarterly dialogue with all employees where they discuss about business, quality matrices, performance and future plan also. And when I joined this organization, I was very surprised that Acharya ji and Swami ji, they recognize most of the employees either by their name or which plant they are operating or which machine they are working. So this kind of recognition gives you additional sense of responsibility. And our culture is based upon procedure, not the practices. Previously, there was a proverb that practice makes man perfect. Now, this is not valid. every task we are defining with every minute details, so there is a less chance of error. In food safety management definition, we call this a mistake proofing. And when we are talking about sustainability and diverse manufacturing, our existence, purpose of our existence is not earn the profit for any individual. Our 100% is going for the charity or new business development. And in our organization, quality is addressed by the entire organization, not just by the quality team or laboratory team. Key KPIs like product recall related issues, food issue with respect to the food safety, they are the part of KPI of every employee, whether people are from purchase or they are maintenance department or they are finance team. We focuses on mindset and behavior despite of quality processes and systems, because we know although quality systems and processes are important, but more important, the people who are driving those quality system and processes. So every training program is designed in that manner to address those behaviors. And inclusiveness, improvement and innovation are our key for quality and food safety. We have a uniformity on domestic manufacturing and export manufacturing. This shows that our strong label management, this shows our recipe formulation, product integrity. Right now, we have seen some pharmaceuticals company, some cricketers are coming and they are advertising that medicine they are making for domestic market and export market is the same. So we are doing the same job in last 25 years. When we are talking about product mobility, when you are converting raw material into finished good, so processes are very important. And especially for our case, most of the product are agri-based. So we are doing 100% raw material screening, because all agri-based product we are receiving throughout the India, and lot of natural toxins are there. So you have to screen out that. So for that job, we have a 5 NABL accredited lab in Patanjali premises that covers 400 processes, 400 methods. So this shows our capability also. And we monitor the quality culture effectiveness during our annual product review. So this review mechanism, that how many products we have made, how many we have passed without any deviation, how many products we passed through deviation, or how many products we have rejected. So this trend analysis gives the effectiveness of implementation of quality culture we have. And our leadership also track quality and compliance related action as a care effort. And we are taking some key steps to achieve quality culture in a sustainable manner. We have an equal focus on people, plant, processes, and cost, quality, and availability. When I am talking about people, plant, process, they are input, and when we are talking about cost, quality, availability, they are output. So there should be balance between input, output. So that will give you a long-term success in the business. जब हम बात करते हैं ट्रेनिंग का, तो every time we are, although we are a Indian FMCG company, but when we are talking about training, we are always looking for the expert, and we don't bother whether they are Indian or they are foreign. Like when we conducted training on FESMA and PCQI, FESMA is a Food Safety Modernization Act, and PCQI is a Preventive Control Qualified Individual. So because this is a US FDA requirement, so we hired North American Food Safety Society. When we implemented food fortification, we have taken the help of CII and GAIN. And most of the food products, it requires sensory. So for sensory, we hired the services of Flavor Active UK. And inside our organization, we have a panel of 72 lead assessors. Basically, every time they are doing the monitoring of quality management system, they are reviewing the quality management system. This gives you the effectiveness of implementation. And when we are talking about in terms of technology, every time we are looking from the best in that segment, whether this is a plant equipment, whether it's a lab equipment, we have a machine from KHS, Alpha Laval, Tetra Pak, we have a Buller, we have a Agilent, Water, Elementer, Brickus, and Geotech, all machines we have. We have a 5 NABL accredited lab inside the facility. Plus, our facilities are WHO GMP certified. It means we are exporting to 57 countries. And plus we have a various products, they are COPP certified. We call this a certificate on pharmaceuticals product. When you are achieving that, this is the clear indicator you have a robust quality culture on a sustainable basis within your organization. And because most of the time we are using herbal product and medicinal product, so for that you need a big quantity of inventory. So we have every time we have this inventory of 350 to 400 herbs, and our average inventory volume is 12,000 ton, and this area of this warehouse, which is having a vertical stacking with all latest warehousing norms we are following, covered area 1.3 lakh. So it shows that our capability also. So when you have a capability, you have a quality culture, it means you are committing and you are aligning yourself with national priorities and business goals together. One most important thing that we are using our boiler ash to making our one product is a Patanjali dishwash bar. So this shows that how we are converting waste into wealth. मतलब ये हमारे environmental commitment को भी बताता है. और every year we called one day is a जड़ी बूटी दिवस. Basically we are celebrating the जन्मदिन of Acharya Balkrishna ji, and every year we are basically free distributing 5 lakhs herbal and medicinal plant. This shows our environmental commitment also. और बहुत सारे agriculture product होते हैं, you can't convert those agriculture product directly from raw material to finished good. So you have to convert your raw material to semi-finished good. So during that process, you require a controlled temperature storage warehouse. So we have one warehouse. This is a 25,000 ton capacity with refrigerated zone. You have a cold zone plus you have an ambient temperature zone. So this shows our capability, which help us to maintain the quality culture on a sustainable basis. Most important, basically, when you are talking about culture, we have not only changed the quality culture, we had changed the basically family culture also. We have impacted the life of people who are come in the connect with the Patanjali. In our Patanjali factories, we have a basically 45% women. Research also conducted various part of globe that women deliver comparatively better when you talks about quality, hygiene and food safety. And this numbers 45% on-roll women employee, it ranges from 20% to 60%. It depends upon which plant they are operating or which processes they are doing. And सबसे important है, when you are basically giving this woman empowerment, actually you are impacting two families. जहाँ पर उस महिला का जन्म हुआ है उस परिवार में, दूसरा जिस घर में वो शादी के बाद जाने वाली है. When you are empowering almost 50% population of ours, so you are giving great contribution to the nation building. और as an organization, we always talk about that हमारी प्रवृत्ति समाधान की है, उत्तर देने की नहीं. Most of the time, basically, we are not giving solution. We are just replying to the people. As an organization, we are always giving solution. We are not giving reply. सबसे important, as an organization, our documentation process is very strong. So वो कहाँ से आता है? Because when we are talking about quality management system, food safety management, everything, if you see any ISO system also, first and foremost is a management commitment. क्योंकि जो आपके management का commitment है, वही आपका down the line आपके system में आने वाला है. So I was just sitting with Swami ji in integrated seminar on therapy. उसमें एक oncologist lady थी. She was just talking about that how many genes are responsible, which is basically transmitting cancer from mother to next generation. और स्वामी जी उस हर चीज को नोट कर रहे थे अपनी डायरी में. तो I was just surprised because previously lot of doctors they told Swami ji, this is your empire, you have built this, but he was just noting down everything like a normal student. उनका कहना है if you are a superhuman also, you can't recall, you can't memorize everything which you are coming in your daily life. तो सबसे अच्छा उनका कहना है जो think है उसका जो ink है वो सबसे important है. तो आपको जो भी मिलता है you have to basically document everything. This is the basis of our robust documentation practices which support our quality culture on a sustainable basis. Thank you.